Hello friends, welcome to my channel Abhi's World. This is Abhishek, your friend, and today I'm going to unbox a new tool for you, something that is related to my hobby, and that is fish keeping. And as you can see my aquarium, right now it is having an internal filter. So what I've done is I've ordered another filter which will act as an upgrade to my already running filter. So this is an internal filter. The problem I was having with this filter is that it exerts too much of pressure, which is not good for fishes. It might be good for some other fishes, but it's not good for the goldfishes. As you can see, my aquarium mostly has goldfishes, so this is stressing them a lot, as I can believe, and as I've read the reviews, and also they are not literally happy as of now due to this filter, and they keep on roaming over here. As this part you can see, it has most of the pressure going on from this, as it's blowing oxygen from this. So I've ordered SOBO 606H filter, which is a different type of filter. It is a hang-on back filter. So what I'll do is I'll just unbox it in front of you, and then I'll install it in my aquarium, and I'll show you the difference and how you can install it and how it is better if you are trying to keep goldfishes. So let's get started, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the note bell icon so that you can get all updates from my channel. So friends, this is the package I've got from Amazon. The filter is inside it. Let me just show you the invoice. Here's the invoice. So there we go. Let me just show you the model number and the details. There's written hanging filter and the model number, and the capacity is written over here. It says 500 liter per hour, which was really impressive for me. And let's open this up now. Power head of the filter. It looks really nice. You can see this is 606, and this is probably the cover, the front cover. I'm not getting used to how to remove it as of yet. I guess this is the switch. Yeah, so you do remove it from here. Okay, so let me just clear off the tape and then I'll show you. So this is the cover, and this is the inside of the. This is the filtering media, and there's one plate as well. This is the plate. It's really nice, and I think it will work really nice for filtering. And yes, you can add your own filter media as well. There's lots of space, not too much of a space, but it's enough for a 30-liter tank. And this is the cover. I guess this is for controlling the flow of the water. So let me just install it, and then I'll show you again how it works and how it looks in my aquarium. So guys, this is the aquarium. I've already set it up for you. So this is how it's working, and up till now it's working really fine. And I just love the flow of the water that comes from there, and it looks quite effective, and there's not much of noise. As you can see, the noise that's coming is probably from the air pump that's installed here. So there's not too much of noise, and I suppose the filtration shall be good. You can control the flow from here. You can reduce it, or you can just keep it to normal. And I'll show you the outlets of the pipe. There you can see. These are all, and it goes quite deep into the aquarium, and there's the surface. So let's see how it works in few days, and then I'll give you an update on it. So far so good. Let me just put back the lid. I'll show you that you can also cover it with the lid so that the water doesn't get into the wires or any electrical fitting. So yep, this is how it looks with lid. It looks really elegant, really. I'm just really happy with it. Let me just increase the flow.